Everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you a comparison of YouTube TV, the paid version, and the second one is Pluto TV, the paid version. So they both give you free ad supported, free when you buy the paid versions. They give you free no ad scenes, and you can have a lot of live channels. And please remember that YouTube does not have live channels, and it only works on channels of YouTube channels. When they go live, you will get a notification, but I don't recommend that. So if you have a habit of watching the news live, so I recommend the Pluto TV because it is free, ad supported, live focus, and no DVR. While the YouTube TV has a paid subscription, live and on demand, DVR, 4K streaming, and is a family friendly, while the Pluto TV is not. So yeah, this is a comparison between the two. Thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.